This is the Razer Black Widow V3. Sorry that I didn't do an unboxing or anything because mine was refurbished. I didn't know it was refurbished at the time. And yeah, I also have the green PBT keycaps. This is my first custom keyboard. I'm really excited about it. I have the green clicky switch. The green clicky switches. I think that's the name. I'm putting my keycap puller somewhere, so I'm just gonna have to pull this off. Here's the keycap. Okay, I'm gonna put. I was thinking about maybe doing like a little green right here, but I don't think I am now. I might put some here later. But this is just my thing. Oh yeah, by the way, it's whenever you have the keyboard off, this logo, the Razer logo, disappears. And here's this, the stand. I've been using it a lot. The only bad thing is that you can't see this, because I really like this. Because usually I have these tall keyboards that it's hard to play with. And yeah, that's it. I don't know a lot about the light, because I didn't really look at the instructions. I just unplugged it. So I don't know what most of it does. I know scroll lock and a bunch of other things, but I just do not know what the other light settings are. If anybody knows, tell me, guys. I heard that there's a light where you type. Well, there's a light setting where you type and the whole thing lights up. I don't know if this is, it won't do that because it's refurbished, but still, I really like it. And soon I might do a wireless Razer keyboard review. Well, I mean wireless Razer mouse review, because I'm thinking about picking out one of those, but I don't know which one it is going to be. Expect it on Saturday or maybe Friday. Nah, I might do it on Saturday, Sunday, or Friday, or longer. If I don't do it like by Thursday, well, by the time we're watching this, it might be like a months from now, but like February. Well, the time of releasing this. So, bye.